welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Let's take a break from making our desserts. Today, I will show you a simple appetizer or pika-pika na pwede nyo gawin for Christmas. And this is jalapeno poppers. From my kitchen and from my family to yours, Merry Christmas! So yes guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a very simple yet delicious recipe again. And these are jalapeno poppers. And they are super delicious, cheesy, and pag kinagat nyo siya, meron siyang crunch. And this is served as an appetizer or pwede rin itong game day snack. So guys, let's get started. So guys, for the recipe that we'll be doing today, the ingredients that we need are, of course, our jalapeños. Kinat ko na siya in half and tinanggal ko na rin yung buto niya. So make sure na pag tinanggal nyo yung buto niya, pwede kayong mag-wear ng gloves para hindi masting yung kamay ninyo. So yan, hinati ko na siya. And gagamit din tayo ng sharp cheddar cheese, herb and garlic cream cheese. Although you can use plain na cream cheese. Kaya lang gagamit pa kayo ng mga chives, mag-a-add pa kayo ng garlic. So ito, this is perfectly seasoned na guys. And yung ating Panko Bread crumbs. So guys, umpisahan na natin. So guys, our first step is to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And then pagsasama-samahin natin yung ating mga ingredients. So let's start with our herb and garlic cream cheese. Lalagay ko lang siya sa isang lalagyan. And kayo na yung bahalang magtansya kung gaano karami yung gusto ninyo. Kasi, depende yan sa dami ng jalapenos na gagawin ninyo. Or gagamitin ninyo. So, ayan. And then, i-add lang natin yung ating cheddar cheese. And i-mix lang natin siya. So guys, ito na nahalo ko na yung ating cheddar cheese sa ating herb and garlic cream cheese. And ayan na siya. And then our next step is to fill our jalapenos with our spread. So guys, after nating i-spread yung ating filling, itatap natin siya ng ating Panko Bread crumbs. So ang gagawin ko lang is ididip ko lang siya. Just like this. Yan. Para dumikit siya. So yan. So tatapusin ko lang to lahat and then I will put this in the oven. So guys, na-prepare ko na yung ating jalapeno poppers and ito na siya. Ayan. And I am ready to put it in the oven. So ilalagay ko siya sa oven. Again, preheat the oven to 400 degrees and then we will bake it for 18 to 20 minutes. Guys, ready na yung ating jalapeno poppers. Ayan na, ang init. So we have to be very careful. Ayan. Smells so good. Lagay ko muna dito. We need to rest it for 5 to 10 minutes bago natin siya tikman or else sasabog yung init sa ating bibig. So, ayan, intayin lang natin siyang mag-cool down. So guys, ilalagay ko lang siya sa cooling rack. So guys, ready na yung ating jalapeno poppers. Ayan na siya. Ang bango guys! It's tiki man time! So guys, it's tiki man time! Ito na siya. And, perfect ito with your wine or your beer. Yan. Para mas ganahan kayo. Kaya appetizer siya. So, tikman na natin. OMG! Ang sarap guys! Perfect lang yung kanyang heat and very cheesy. Ang sarap. Cheers guys. Isang kagat pa. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. So guys, just a few recipe tips for a successful jalapeno popper appetizer. Use fresh jalapenos. And kung gusto niyo ng hindi masyadong maanghang na jalapenos, after nyo siyang i-cut and i-discard yung seeds niya, you can soak it in cold water overnight. And that will help dun sa spiciness ng jalapeno ninyo. And para maging medyo mas brown pa yung top, kung gusto nyo lang optional ito, you can brush the Panko Bread crumbs with butter yung taas niya bago nyo siya i-bake. So, ayun guys, sana matry nyo to at home very soon. And that's it for our video today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating simple jalapeno popper appetizer recipe. And sana matry nyo din to at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Merry Christmas! Bye!